In this video, we'll show you how to apply and remove your FreeStyle Libre 3 Plus sensor. Let's start with applying your sensor. First, you will prepare your upper arm. Wash the area using a non-moisturizing, fragrance-free soap. Use an alcohol wipe to disinfect the application site. Allow your skin to fully dry prior to applying your sensor. Next, you'll prepare your applicator. Remove the assembled applicator from the box. Unscrew the cap. Don't put the cap back on, as it may damage the sensor. Now you will apply and secure your sensor. Place the applicator over the prepared site. Push firmly until you hear a click. Gently press around your sensor's edge to secure it. Now we'll show you how to remove your sensor. Pull up the adhesive edge and slowly peel the sensor away in a single motion. Refer to your package insert for information on how to dispose of your sensor. When you're ready to apply a new sensor, follow the same steps. Remember to pick a new spot on the back of your upper arm for your next sensor.